How to check revenue report in VOS3000. Got to shortcut, then click on Data Query on top of the screen. Now click on Clearing Query and select Account Clearing Balance. Now, adjust the time period and time zone. Just have a look on one-day report. After adjusting time period and time zone, click Filter. The revenue report for that time period and time zone will be displayed. Here you can see every single detail of each client separately. Note, your profit is the difference between total charges and clearing costs. Now have a look on 15 days revenue report. Just change the time period. Here you can see overall details of your profit and total revenue. Note, if total charges are less than, clearing costs means you are in loss.